This was the question from 2019 exam based on, right? So in this, what they said, two wattmeter, the wattmeter in the line A and B means they have given two wattmeter reads minus this and this. So W1 we can consider as minus 300 watt, right? And W2 we can consider as 1327 watt. So in this they said voltage. Voltage is how much? Line volt. Line voltage is how much? 173.2 volt. And frequency is how much? 60 hertz. Sorry, they have hertz. Now they ask you the impedance. Impedance is denoted by Z, right? And as you know that Z is equal to how much? By I, correct? So as we know the formula for the W1 formula is how much? PL IL cos of 30 plus 5, right? And W2 is how much? VL IL cos of 30 minus 5, right? So let's see, W1 is given, yes, it's minus 300 watt. VL is given, yes, it's this one. But we don't have IL and we don't have phi, right? In this also W2 is given 1327 watt and VL is given, but again in this case also we don't have IL and phi. We are having two variables and the two equations, right? Two variable is one we don't know about the IL and one we don't know about the phi. So can you solve it? As you know the formula also that cos of A plus B and cos of A minus B have to use that. So after solving we'll get the value of IL as 10 ampere and we'll get the phi as 70 degree. So now we need to calculate the voltage by current. Voltage is how much? 173.2 divided by current is how much? Current is 10 ampere. Okay. So from here we'll get the value for Z. Z is how much? We'll get it as 1. We can get the value of Z. But see, with sorry, we are having the formula VPH is equal to IPH multiplied by ZPH, right? So first of all, we know the value for the VL, right? So VL is equal to 3 VPH. If we know the value of VL, can we get VPH? Yes or no? Now this is for the star connection, and if we know the value of IL, can we get the IPH? It is the same, right? So after substituting the value of VPH and IPH, we'll get the ZPH. Got it?